She doesn't make a whole lot of noise, does she?
She does when she's excited. She'll make a lot of noise. Make a really loud noise. She did when we got her, remember?
I've only heard her a couple times.
I heard her a lot.
She likes to be upside down, huh?
Yeah, she does. She's an upside down clown. What are you doing, Emmy? Is she gonna try the roasted and peeled pepper? I have it hanging right there.
Yep, she got it.
Oh, she took it. It looks like a little mustache. What are you gonna...
Where's she gonna put it?
I don't know.
She put it somewhere? Or she still got it? Does she use her hand feet?
I don't know. I haven't seen her use it yet. Is that yummy? Looks like a noodle. Wonder if she'd like pasta.
Is she eating it? She got it. Yeah, she still got it dangling out of her mouth.
Don't drop it.
Where'd you put it?
I don't know.
I think I heard it fall.
I do too. She goes to the bottom of her cage sometimes. Don't doubt at all that she will not find it again.
Hey.
Aw.
Wow. Maya, that's very quite the voice.
Louder than a normal parakeet. Louder than any parakeet I've ever heard.
Yeah. Oh, you're so cute.
She makes all